guys, so I'm a tea girly, and so I'm going to take you around my garden and collect some herbs to make some tea. So let's go. Some of the herbs that are in my tea herb bed right now. We have some seedlings, and that is lemon and cinnamon basil. So I'm going to collect some of this sage right here. And I have some pineapple sage. You guys, this smells so good, so I'm guessing it tastes delicious in the tea. I haven't had it before. This right here is golden sage. And to make my tea sweet, I have some stevia here. So I'm going to collect the leaves and the flowers. If you have a sore throat, I have some lemon thyme here. This is really good for a cough or sore throat. I also have some sweet myrtle here, and I also have some chamomile, and I have lemon verbena in the back, and I have different types of basil as well. There's also dill in here. There's lavender. The flowers haven't came up yet. And then I'm going to take you guys to my other herb bed. Smelling my fingers because the herbs smell so good together, so I can't wait to taste them. Guys, you can't have tea without this herb right here. This is lemon verbena. It is so good. If you had lemon verbena and lemon basil tea, let me know in the comments. It is so good. Guys, so before we go to the other herb bed, also you guys, I have some trees and some bushes that you can also harvest the leaves of to make some delicious tea. So this actually is our nectarine tree. Okay, so I'm going to harvest some leaves from this as well. I'm trying to get the ones without like insect marks and stuff on it. Alright, so we're at our first herb patch that has like oregano, peppermint, and chives. But you guys, lemon balm. So my first garden teas that I made ever had, it was lemon eucalyptus, jasmine green tea, lemon verbena, and lemon balm. And you guys, amazing. So don't try to steal it, you guys. That's my signature tea, but it is so good. And talking about calming and just relaxing, that herb is amazing. I'm gonna take some big old handfuls. The leaves are just so big. So this is the only downside to picking herbs. Oh my gosh, just the nasty bugs and worms. But you just take that leaf off and keep on going. I have echinacea, blackberry leaves, a beautiful cloud of wormwood, and a lot of other herbs. So this is what I actually grew from seeds. So this is anise hyssop, and you guys, this is so good. It gives like that kind of peppery cinnamon flavor. It's really good for you. So it smells so good. So I'm gonna get a lot of these. My bowl is full. I feel so greedy, but I cannot wait to show you guys the next step. All right, now, so take your strainer, and then we're gonna rinse our herbs. Then you're going to thinly place your herbs on a baking pan. Then you're going to bake your herbs for about 10 minutes on 200. Make sure you're constantly checking your herbs. Look at me multitasking. So I'm also cooking some fresh gumbo. And if you're not going to make tea right off, you can just crush your herbs, or you don't have to crush them. You can store them in a container, but I want my tea right away. So I'm placing them into my tea pan, and you can put as much water as you want. If you want a stronger tea, you're going to use less water and boil your herbs a little bit longer, and enjoy. I hope this video encourages you guys to grow some herbs. They're really easy to grow, and they come back year after year. And as always, I'm wishing you guys peace, love, and flowers.